Yauba Gabriel ke yang rai ubare uhe pulit hakakerdan AIG ubla syatian bishar benda ka janmit jong santarik unai wing arjar puar la rai ben pensyong hado nyos ngi kenti ba unsa toket hagi bor pulit kabla tip kum ka police custody. Habakran bat unong esat an bo mikmat yoba yang rai upi yoben ule thu panakaliang jongki ningkong kilapan dag judicial custody nakadaw ba yang rai umdan hakamet ka bakot ka wakhya hinrai namar ka jingpan por jong investigation officer ka ïingkashari kala rai bansat nyos ngi ha along ki pulet bala patha pat ban pha examine yoba yang rai man ka sau pupra kanta.
The SIT team asks for 7 days of police custody, and we have objected to that one. However, for the interest of the case, the court has given 7 days of police custody, and he will be produced on the 12th of November. And the court has directed the IO to ensure the safety of Mr. Yang Rai with regard to his health and his medication, and has been directed to produce for medical checkup every 48 hours. So right as of now, that is the thing. So he has been given 7 days of police custody. So we have objected strongly to the police custody, saying owing to his health and because the interrogation can be done in judicial custody as well. However, the court declined to accept our objections and says that this is a period of investigation because IO's prayer has been accepted. Next move, you see, police custody is going on now. We think that let the investigation be carried out properly, and thereafter we will see his new course of action. Probably on 14th we will put his bail application.